Today, we're going to learn and practice daily life English phrases. These are short and powerful expressions you can use every day. Let's speak English together. 1. Greetings and introductions. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. In real life, you can also say, hey, what's up, or how's it going? Let's practice that. Repeat after me. Hey, what's up? Not much, just chilling. Mini conversation example. A asks, hi, how are you? B reply, I'm good. How about you? Repeat that. Now part 2. Talking about yourself. Repeat after me. What's your name?
My name is Pratiksha.
Add your name and repeat. You can also say, I'm Pratiksha. Nice to meet you. Repeat after me. I live in Pune. Add your location and repeat. I work at a bank. Add your workplace and repeat. Let's do a mini conversation. A person, what do you do? B person, I'm a teacher. A person, oh, that's great. Part 3. Common questions. Repeat after me. Can you help me, please? Excuse me, where is the restroom? What time is it? These are phrases that make you sound polite and fluent. Use please and excuse me to sound respectful. Repeat after me. Can I have some water, please? Where is the nearest ATM? Part 4. Shopping and eating out. Repeat after me. How much is this? This is too expensive. Do you have something cheaper? When you eat at a restaurant. Repeat after me. Can I see the menu, please? I'll have a sandwich and coffee. Can I get the bill, please? Mini conversation. Person A, what would you like to eat? Person B, I'll have a burger and fries. Person A, anything to drink? Person B, just water, please. Part 5. Feelings and daily needs. Repeat after me. I'm tired. I'm hungry. Let's eat something. Other useful phrases. Repeat after me. I'm feeling cold. It's too hot today. Let's go out for a walk. Mini conversation. A, I'm bored. B, let's go to the mall. A, good idea. Part 6. Ending a conversation. Repeat after me. It was nice talking to you. See you soon. Take care. When you say goodbye, repeat after me. Have a great day. Bye. Talk to you later. ... Practice these phrases daily. Say them out loud. Use them in real situations. This is how you speak fluent English. Don't worry about grammar too much. Start speaking with confidence, one phrase at a time. This is Easy English Daily. Subscribe and follow us for more speaking practice. You can do this. See you in the next video.